How to withdraw your job search with AI. Jobright.ai. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Jobright.ai to automate your job search using AI. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, go to the Jobright.ai website. Once the page opens, sign up or log in to your account to begin. After logging in, the first thing you need to do is upload your resume. The AI agent will scan your resume automatically and extract your skills, experience, education, and professional background. Your profile will be created instantly, and you just need to review the details and edit anything if required. This usually takes only a couple of minutes. Next, set your job preferences. Choose the role you are looking for, your experience level, preferred locations, and whether you want remote or on-site jobs. Once you save these settings, the AI immediately starts finding jobs that match your profile. Right after this, you'll see 3 sample job recommendations. You simply give a thumbs up or thumbs down based on whether you like the job or not. If you dislike a job, the system asks why. This feedback helps the AI learn your preferences and improves future job recommendations. Next, install the Jobright Chrome extension. This is important because the extension automatically fills job applications for you. When applying, it completes forms like name, education, and work history within seconds. You only step in if a field needs manual input. The goal is to remove repetitive work from job searching so you can focus on better opportunities instead of manual applications. And that's how you can use Jobright.ai to automate your job search using AI. That's all for the video.